So we're underneath the rally Saabaru here, and the exhaust fell out, so I've put it back in. This clamp was still here, but this had fallen out, so I just shoved it back into the clamp. And then this end, what actually happened is this fell out, and the old clamp was so rusty that it broke apart, but it fell out because this hanger, the welds broke off the exhaust. So I put two old clamps on here to hold this back up, and then put this clamp, which is the wrong size, on here. So this is now an oval, and the oval shape will stop it from rotating and maybe from sliding back out. And these will stop this from coming back down, which will keep this held in place better. Still wobbly, but it doesn't have enough movement to let the exhaust slip back out again up front. And then back there, you can see a couple of incredibly old, crusty ones that are still somehow holding on, but all this thing has to do is make it through one more year of OppoX, and then it will probably be done. Probably because maybe it won't break, but I don't know. That's looking pretty sketchy to me. The other side is not as bad, I don't think, but you can't tell because it's covered in a coat of dirt. So good luck with that.